remind the entire NRM fraternity that 1 or A, the NRM sub-county registrars shall be in charge of the exercise. B, this is strictly a college election where only eligible members of the college will contest and vote for structures at sub-county level. Non-voters are strictly not permitted to be added. If you have come from the parishes, those are the ones you want, plus others that the Constitution mandates. Expression of interest, nominations, campaigns, and polling will take place tomorrow. Expression of interest for position of chairperson mainstream is at 50,000, and this will be paid to the bank prior to 16th. The timeline of activities are follows. Voters converge at the venue by 10 a.m. Nominations and campaigns run up to 11:45, and the polling starts at 12. No polling should start earlier than 12. Please. Sub-county registrars, district registrars, don't start elections before 12. People are traveling, they come, they find you already elected. We shall cancel that election and call for a new election. Because the stakes are high. Ineligible persons are not allowed to contest. Voting by proxy is not allowed. Crossing to contest from mainstream to special organs or vice versa is not allowed. If you are in mainstream, you cannot cross to special interest. If you are special interest groups, you don't cross to mainstream. After polling and filling the result transmission forms, the sub-county register must make a photocopy of the results and keep a copy at sub-county level before submitting the form to the district register. The sub-county registrar must use the little money we sent them to photocopy the results and keep it, so that the registrar does not change the results. All successful candidates will be issued with slips indicating that they are winners of a particular position. In addition, all candidates are allowed to take photographs of the transmission of results form after being fully filled by the sub-county registrar. When the forms have been filled, the candidates must be allowed to take photographs of those forms, so that they go back with the photograph. If it is changed, they bring it out as evidence. I repeat, once the election is over, the sub-county registrars must allow those candidates to take photographs. They are also going to give them forms to fill indicating who won with how many votes to the candidates. So that result we are able to trace. What are the subsequent elections after tomorrow? 1. Election of party structure at municipal and state division will be on Monday 19th. Tomorrow we are doing election at sub-county. Monday we are doing election at municipal level and seated division level. The cities which have been approved are the only one going to do this election. Toronto City, which has not yet been approved, will do and will stop at the municipality. I repeat, the cities which are functional are the ones we are going to do election. The cities which are yet to be approved, like Toronto City, will have to do this election at